show you. Scooter, come on, I have something to tell you.
But Sparkle, I'm making my bed.
Joy, I'm glad I found you. Come on, I got something to show you.
Okay.
Okay, Sparkle, what's the meaning of this?
I have a magic gumball machine.
Cool.
I know, right?
We have to try the magic gum.
Ooh, a yellow gumball. Wow, yellow gumballs and yellow bubbles?
Come pop the bubbles, guys.
Wow. Let me have a try.
Here you go.
Here we go.
Wow, an orange gumball. Cool, an orange gumball and an orange car. Cool ride, bro. Ooh, let's drive it. Yeah. Awesome!
An orange gumball, an orange bite.
Look, guys, I have a blue gumball. Look, Joy, a blue gumball got me a blue horse.
Sparkle, I love that horse. Are you going to ride him?
You mean her? Of course, I'm going to ride her.
Wow, that looks fun. Can I try?
Green, I wonder what this gets me. I love the color green. I like the color green too.
I have 3 red gumballs. I wonder if we'll get 3 red toys.
Wow, look at all of those red toys. Wow. Scooter looks like a bunny.
Hey guys, check me out.
What?
Wait, do over. Okay. Whoa.
Whoa. I think you need to practice, Bird.
Whee!
That's better. Nice ride, Joy, nice ride. Ooh, I have a pink gumball. I wonder if I'll get a pink toy. Pink gumball, pink scooter.
I like your scooter, Sparkle.
Thanks, honey.
All of these gumballs have made me hungry.
Yeah, let's get a snack. For more awesome videos, hit subscribe.